Hello, hello, hello. How are you going today? So, we have some different tutorials how to convert the DAC bonus in GOS Coin. So now I'm going to show you that part, okay? So you go to your back office, ID and password, normal. You have activation codes on the menu, okay, the left side, and then you have this banner, Get GOS Coin. When you arrive here, you need to, before you create your wallet already, okay? So here, I want to use my wallet. Now you have the wallet, you go down, and on the list, you see, you have all the code you done before in the pre-launch, all the DAC bonus, okay, digital activation codes you buy. Now I'm gonna convert this code. I click in convert, and that's done. Simple as that. I will be credited here the codes. Okay, the amount of GOS coin I exchange from my the DAC bonus to my wallet, and that's all. So you gonna have automatically your amount here credited for all the codes you buy on the pre-launch. Thank you for your time. See you soon in other tutorial videos. Success for you. Bye-bye.